But me, I don't understand that, you know. And I stopped exactly there because was more space. And I come here and I stopped there. And no was right, you know. Because that one was another guy behind me and him want to go right, you know. So I just give him way. Yeah, this is Ho Chi Minh. But I will make another video during the during the night to show you how beautiful it is. Because during the day it's very beautiful, and during the night it's beautiful too, with all his lights. Ho Chi Minh is the new name of the town, but this is like I don't know, metropole, monopole, because it's very big. Be honest with you, are millions of people living here, so this is very big, and it's very well developed. It's living in the future. Yeah, this town is living in the future already. I can tell you can find everything what you need here, and it's a nice place to be. Very nice and very beautiful. So I am very happy to show you around, and I like to go more, but I don't have any plan, and I don't want to go in town again because there it's so busy, and me I don't like too busy. I like, but I don't like because I have to drive slowly, you know, and I don't like to drive slowly. My plan is to stop a little bit. I put my navigation right. I don't know, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I'm doing right, if I will do this. Bus is coming. I block all the traffic. I block the traffic, so I have to go to... I try to go back, but I just block the traffic. This is one of the reasons me I don't like too much. Maybe I find another way? No today. Oh my god. That bus, the bus, it keeps horning. It's like him needs space, you know? Him needs, but me I cannot give space to him. My navigation, like always, is doing what you want. I still watching that bus behind me, the bus. You say how fast him is driving. Him really don't care too much. Busy market. Okay. It's very busy and there's no much space, you know. If you drive slowly and you hit someone, the only thing you just fall down, and that's it. Now I stay behind him because I don't like me too much. I don't know what him is doing. Maybe some people coming. Finally, him put the signal. Him is going left. I like my navigation because it's doing good job. I feel like I'm getting lost with this special song for buses. Where to go? Is no more space for everybody. Sometimes you need to give way. You know, here is no working like I have priority. You have priority or stuff like that. Yeah. You just need to to give way and that's it. I don't know that him want to go right, nobody lets him go. So him don't have another option. He need to pull hard. This is what happens, you know. If you don't pull hard to go out or to go in, you stay all month, all your week, all your life. You stay there, you know. So you have to know. You have to know when you're driving here. You need to do what is the right, but at the same time, you need to do what is not right, you know. So better stop the traffic and do your business in the same interaction I was before, and it's very busy during this time. But yeah, it's normal. This is main road, that's why. But all the roads are busy. Just sometimes are quiet. After me, I will leave the town and I will go outside. Then there is the time. You will see the beautiful place. This is crossing, yeah, so they want to go that side because there is for cars, and this side is for motorbikes. You can say on this bridge it's only bikes. I think the people who are driving bike, probably them are very happy. They are very happy because they have this road only for bikes, and they have priority. Yeah, welcome to Vietnam. This is very beautiful. I can drive fast here if I want, but not this is the plan. I was saying I have to go fishing in one day, but I don't know when. I need to spend nice time fishing. I'm a little bit tired. I don't sleep during the night. I don't sleep during the night because the time in England is different. The night in England is day, is light. When here is day, in England is night. And me, I feel like to sleep during the day, but during the day I need to go outside, driving motorbike, enjoying this time. Because if I spend my time on sleeping during the day, during the time is nothing to do. So now I just try to go back to my hotel. I will see if I can edit this video and I changed the lines. Now crossing the roads. This is funny. You need to be quick or you have to wait. Wait for one moment like this. And you start pulling, push and pass. That's it. I arrive at my hotel now, so that's it for now. Thank you. You hear my engine. It's hot, very hot.